I'm going to show how to season a new Blackstone Griddle. I am using the Blackstone Griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. I will be following the instructions on the label. Begin with the griddle on a flat and even surface and expose the cast iron griddle top. Obtain these supplies for cleaning. Clean the top using a small amount of soap and water to rid the pores of any dirt and debris. This will be the only time you ever use soap or water on your griddle. Then drain and rinse with water until the soap residual is gone. Thoroughly dry using a clean cloth. The griddle is now ready to season. Next, heat the griddle, setting the knobs to high heat. Allow the griddle to heat for 15 minutes. Once heated, you will find the griddle top has been discolored. This is what it should look like. Next, take the seasoning and use barbecue tongs to scoop it from the container. Apply it to the hot griddle. The amount I'm using is 2 to 3 tablespoons of seasoning on a new 36-inch griddle top. Next, fold some paper towels and grasp them with the tongs in this manner. Use the tongs to spread a thin layer of seasoning onto the surface. Be sure to cover the sides, edges, and outside edges as well. Allow the seasoning to cook and smoke for 15 minutes. Repeat the seasoning process 3 to 5 more times. Finally, turn the knobs and the gas off and allow to cool. Maintain the seasoning by cooking and applying a thin layer of seasoning after each use.